We got this swing from Amazon. Let's check it out. It looks like a rope thing. Wow. Smokes. This is big. A bunch of ropes. Put some nuts in here. Straps and some holders and some nuts and stuff and a big rope thing and another big rope thing. There's instructions. That's weird. Here's number 1. Instruction number 1. You have to get all these and put them on flat, like in a circle. This. And then instruction number 2. And then instruction number 2 just looks the exact same. Oh. Mom, I kind of need help with this. With some help from Mom and Dad, we got it put together and hung it in a tree. This swing is great because it has really strong metal all around. The nylon ropes are weatherproof. There's no sharp edges so the little kids won't get hurt. Let's see how big it is.
Feet. 36 inches across? How many kids can it hold?
A bunch.
It can hold a lot of little kids.
Is it broken?
Even where the bolts are underneath, it's got covers on them, so there's not sharp bolts sticking out there. The whole thing's pretty strong. This is just a solid piece of metal that goes all the way around. And then the ropes are hooked on with this. The ropes are attached on that.
It's even a fun place to just chill with your friends.